AI can read a folder full of documents and produce an answer, but an answer is not the same thing as a governed body of knowledge. Most AI systems cannot reliably tell you which claims are currently accepted, which are provisional, what remains disputed, why a conclusion changed, or who authorized that change. That becomes a serious problem when other agents begin acting on those answers. So Corpus Forge is a provenance-first workflow for creating and maintaining living knowledge corpora. It turns source material into traceable knowledge objects while keeping evidence, interpretation, claims, applications, and unresolved questions distinct. The result is not just a searchable library, it is a human-governed memory layer that people and other AI systems can safely use. The demonstration uses Plato's public domain Euthyphro because it contains a lot of definitions, in this case of the term piety, that are repeatedly proposed, challenged, revised, and even left unresolved. Each object remains linked to its source. The system doesn't hide the difference between what the text says, what someone interprets it to mean, and what the corpus currently accepts. Now, some new material enters. A normal AI workflow might simply regenerate the summary and overwrite the old conclusion. Corpus Forge instead compares the incoming fragment with the existing corpus and proposes a specific change while preserving the previous state. GPT 5.6 identifies a tension and proposes a successor object, but the proposal is visibly marked, AI proposed, and unauthorized. The model may classify, compare, synthesize, and flag conflict. It may not silently decide what the corpus is authorized to rely upon. So a human reviewer decides whether to accept, reject, quarantine, or leave the proposal unresolved. Here, I accept it as only provisional. The prior claim remains preserved, the successor gains a new life cycle, and the review record captures who made the decision, when, and why. So the governed state can now be exported through structured JSON without losing provenance, without losing lineage, without losing authorization status. That makes the corpus usable not only by people, but by downstream software and agentic AI. Now, this small demonstration model is a much larger possibility. A research team could maintain an evolving evidence brief. A standards group could preserve contested interpretations. A company could give its AI systems institutional memory without allowing them to silently rewrite institutional judgment. Corpus Forge does not make AI the authority. It makes AI useful inside a system where authority, uncertainty, and change remain visible. Chatbots generate answers. Corpus Forge maintains what a team is authorized to rely upon and why.